this is CRT. Welcome to this episode. This is another mail call episode. I have another super generous donation from another one of my viewers. This comes from Steve in Iowa. Now, I just first off have to say a huge thank you to Steve for sending this. I know what's in here and I am so looking forward to playing with this stuff. So why don't we open this up so that you can take a look at what he sent me. All right, let's open this box up. Now I did see some writing in there, so I'll cover that up so that we don't get to see what he wrote on here. Which is a list of what is in the box. It's nice cardboard. Oh, and instruction manual for a fast load cartridge. There we go. And as you can see, a floppy disk drive, a VIC 1541, a manual for pirates, the VIC 20 Programmer's Reference Guide, VIC 20 Friendly Computer Guide, Commodore 64 User's Guide. Ooh, lots of reading material for me. 1541 disk drive. So let's get this disk drive out. Ooh, that's heavy. So we'll just put that over to the side right now. A map, which I'm assuming is probably from Pirates or something, yeah. It's the Caribbean there. And here we have the power cable. And here we have some discs that he made for me. Maniac Mansion, Pirates, miscellaneous Activision games, Ghostbusters, Donkey Kong Jr. and Frogger, and Defender of the Crown. And we got something here that from Retro Rewind that he sent me. So this is the fast load cartridge, Freeload. And I can't remember the name of this right now, but this is a floppy emulator, the Pi 1541. So I do have to get a, I think a Pi 3 for this, Raspberry Pi 3, to run this, and then I can use this. I'm going to be doing some research into how to use this. And then, of course, the disk drive. So I guess now we have to hook this up to my Commodore computer and try it out. Alright, the first thing we are going to do is test out this Freeload Cartridge from Retro Rewind. There's a little switch here. Turn it on. There's a reset button on it. Now this will be testing out to see if the cartridge port on this computer works or not. There, feels like it's well in place. And there we go. It's got Freeload on the screen there. So I do have the disk drive and everything hooked up now. So trying to remember which joystick port it is, and I'm pretty sure it's this one. And first disk to try will be Miscellaneous Activision Games. Disk drive turns on. Computer turns on. Okay, and in goes the disk. And after having read the instructions on the cartridge here, I should be able to just hit the $sign. And there we go. And here we have a whole bunch of Activision games, and I can see one of my favorites. Right here. And that looks like it's working. And how do I get this started? Oh, there we go. Oh, I killed myself. And this is working. So for the second time, I'm going to try to load Maniac Mansion. Now, it did load the first time, but the joystick wouldn't work, so I obviously had it in the wrong port. Now, I have heard that you're not supposed to plug and unplug joysticks on the Commodore computer while the computer is running, so I turned it off. Now I will reload this using the Commodore run stop key and see if it works this time. I have played this game on other systems before, but I'm interested to see how it looks on the C64. There we go. And this time the joystick works. I'm just picking people randomly because I have not played this game in a very long time, so I don't remember who any of them are, so. Oh, guess I gotta go through all the credits. So this is working just fine. Well, there we go. The disk drive work, the games work. I have a ton of reading ahead of me, and the Freeload cartridge from Retro Rewind work. Now, Retro Rewind is an awesome online store for Commodore stuff. Even though I did not buy this cartridge from them, it was donated to me by one of my viewers. I will put a link to the Retro Rewind store down in the description, just so you can check it out if you want to. Yeah, the only thing I have left to do is to get a hold of the Pi to run the Pi 1541 on, and that will be at a future date. I guess I have nothing left to say, but a big thank you to Steve from Iowa for donating this stuff. I mean, it absolutely blows me away that I have such wonderful fans that they will donate stuff to my channel. I hope I am doing this stuff justice. But I do have to let you know that all of these donations I just love to death and play with constantly. So thank you very much to Steve and to all the other people who have donated to me. But I've got nothing else to say, so I want to go play some more games. So I will see you next time.